Action.
Hi, I'm Paul. I've been at Akeneo for 5 years now. My job at Akeneo is manager talent acquisition, which means I help managers build their teams and I help candidates find their next job at Akeneo. The most exciting part of my role in growing Akeneo's team is the impact I'm having on the business. When I joined this company, we were around 150 employees. Now we're getting close to 450, so it's great to see how much we've achieved so far. Another thing I would say that is very rewarding is to see the people that I've hired grow into their role and grow into their career at Akeneo. We have a lot of open roles at the moment. So we have a lot of roles on the go-to-market side, so customer-facing positions such as sales, like account executive, business development representatives, customer success managers will be taking care of existing customers, as well as consultants who will be working on implementing Akeneo. For this kind of roles, we're looking for people usually who have experience in our industry, so software as a service, specifically people who have experience within our ecosystem, so marketing technology, customer experience, digital experience solutions. Since we're a software company, we also have a lot of roles in our product department, product managers, product designers, support roles, as well as software engineers. For engineers, what we're looking for is people who are passionate about technical excellence, who are customer-centric and who love to solve problems. And when it comes to the tech stack that we're using, on the back end we have Python, Go and PHP. And for the front end we're using TypeScript, React and Vue. The hiring process at Akeneo usually starts with 2 interviews. The first one is with our talent acquisition team. So they will be here to give you more information about the position, about Akeneo, and we'll have a high-level discussion regarding your experience. Then usually it's followed by an interview with the hiring manager, so the person that will be your manager in this role. They will give you more in-depth information about the department, the team, and the role, and also will discuss your experience in more detail. After that, it really depends on the role you're applying for. If it's a customer-facing role, you can expect usually 2 more interviews, one with a stakeholder you'll be closely working with, and potentially an exercise to finish the process. Could be a presentation, could be a case study. For our roles within our product department, like software engineers, usually there are 3 more interviews, a behavioral interview, a technical deep dive, and last interview will be an interview with the team, so you can meet your future colleagues and learn more about their work. In terms of how you can prepare for those interviews, I would say don't hesitate to use our talent acquisition team as a resource. So the recruiter you will have your first conversation with, don't hesitate to reach out to them if you have any questions regarding the process or how to prepare the interviews. They're really here to help you throughout the process. Also, don't hesitate to go on our website. It might seem obvious, but there's a lot of resources there. They're available, videos, customers' testimonials, so you can learn more about our product, but also learn more about the culture and what it's like to work at Akeneo. I think you'll be successful at Akeneo if you're comfortable working in a fast-growing and changing environment. We're a company that innovates all the time. As we're in the software industry, our sector is fueled by innovation. So a lot of things are changing fast as we're trying to bring value to our customers. Another thing is we're looking for people who love to work in an international environment. Akeneo has presence in 6 different countries with different cultures, different people. So if you like diversity, you'll find this at Akeneo. Finally, I would say that if you are a curious person and you like to learn, Akeneo is a great working environment. We try really to invest in our people by giving them learning opportunities so they can grow in their career. The one thing I love about Akeneo's culture is the collaboration. In this company, we really work as a team. I can see it in my everyday job. I work with all departments across all regions. Whenever I need help, people make themselves available and help me and support me, which is great to see. We really are a company where we celebrate successes together and recognize everyone's input and efforts. This is really an inclusive environment and something I really enjoy.
How was that?
Yeah, it was okay. All good?
All good.
Cool. Thank you.
So much.